Hello everyone, and I welcome you all in this amazing session of post gate info. And in this session I'll be talking about IIT Delhi, right? So of course we have a board, digital board, and we can provide it over there, but maza to likhne mein aata nahi. So we'll be writing up and I'll be telling you. So before going into depth, I have the gate 2020 score, cutoff. 21 admissions are still going on. I mean, they have been done, and but I was not able to find it precisely. So I'll be comparing with the help of Gate 2020 itself. And I mean, the data for 2021 was not precise enough, although admissions and everything have been done. So since I was not able to find it, I won't go into depth. But on the basis of 2020, we'll be seeing this year's data as well. We'll be predicting this year's data as well. And according to me, this year cutoff will be slightly on the lower side. Why? Because the paper was very good one. The paper was not very easy, unlike previous year and the year before that. So this side it will be slightly on the lower side, right? And I'll be also giving you a bit of tips here and there as to which IIT you should prefer, right? And for which branch. For example, if you want to go for IIT Delhi, I would rather say that IIT Delhi design is very good. You should go for that. Placements are very good, right? If you are able to get design from IIT Delhi, you should go with that. And also one or two branches are there, like thermal. They are evergreen branches, design evergreen branches, right? Industrial, always a very happy face you will make if you are pursuing industrial engineering as well for your MTech. So we'll do that, okay? Let's start. I have this data in front of me, and I'll be telling you. So we can go for being a mechanical engineer. There is no bar. It is an interdisciplinary branch. If you want to go for water resources or rock and underground structures, you can do that, but they are more like civil related. So we'll skip these, and then you have all the related to energy studies is there, right? So in energy studies, for general it was 700, for OBC, SC, ST, general PWD, physically weak and disabled, and SC PWD, and then you have ST PWD, right? So it is 700, 630, then 450 each, right? This is for energy studies, okay? Then also solid state materials you can pursue, and solid state materials, kind of material science, towards that side it was 400, then 360, then 260 each, right? So if you want to get into IIT and you want to do your thesis work, you should go with this one, okay? Environment is also there, 300 each it is, right? So environment is more like from civil side, but still people prefer that. Anyways, now comes industrial, and you will see the difference, 725, right? Then you have 650, then you have 500, then you have 300 each, right? This is for industrial. That one was for, this is for energy sciences, right? And this one was for 400 solid state materials, right? Then we'll go with industrial tribology, zarurat nahi hai, control automation, no. Yeah, mechanical equipment, same mechanical. Design is there, design engineering. For design engineering it is 700, it is 630, then you have 450, and the same, right? Next up, then you have polymer. Production is there, production is also good, So for production, you have the same one as industrial, 725, 650, 500, 300, and so on, right? Then you have textile and all this, that, blah, blah, no need. Thermal, let's jump on to thermal. Thermal engineering, same. So what I'll say is, from this analysis, what are we observing actually? From this analysis, what we are observing is that in IIT Delhi, these core branches, thermal, production, design, industrial, they are given much weightage, and that is why their cutoff is also more than the interdisciplinary ones, right? So until or unless you are just looking for for IIT tag, right? If you are looking for IIT tag, which I am always opposing, I rather say that you should not do that, because if you want just the IIT tag, then environment is also good. Environmental engineering is also good enough for you. Water resources is also good enough for you, right? So also energy, yeah, energy is also they are paying good attention to. So these are some of the topics, some of the branches which you should consider, right? And also the GATE scorecard is this much. Now for this year we should do the prediction as minus 100 to 150, like this. Why? Because the paper was tough, right? So this will be pretty much it. Now what you need to do, once you have got your GATE scorecard, you might have filled the forms and all for IITs and all. So just go and visit the website, do the filling of forms, right? Statement of purpose and everything you have to write. And I'm very much sure that while writing SOPA, statement of purpose, you will be very much confused. So I'm always there to help you out. This is my contact number, right? Just call me over this or message me over this, right? Because we want that your form should be appropriately filled and everything like that. So you should have this in your mind, okay? I'm always there to help you. Our team is always there to help you. So this is the scenario. The best case scenario is you'll get into IIT Delhi, and once you get IIT Delhi, see, there's a notion. I mean, earlier back in our days, everybody was going after IIT Delhi, looking for IIT Delhi. Why? Because many of the colleagues were preparing for engineering services as well, and also Delhi was the hub for it. So they used to, skip a few classes and then go for the preparation. But I would recommend that if you want to go for IITs and you want to pursue your MTech dream, right? It is better to do it if it is your inner calling. You know what I'm saying? If it is your inner calling, you should go and do that. Just for the sake of the tag, if you are doing it, it will be harmful for you. And also it is causing a loss to the institution as well, right? Nobody wants the casual movers in their campus roaming around, right? If you have the zeal enough, you have the inner calling, you want to go and contribute in the progress of the society in terms of developing some technology or doing some good thesis work, just go there, right? Just for the sake of fulfilling a parent's dream that, okay, my child is studying in IIT is not good enough, right? Because it won't keep you motivated all the days. Your guides, they will give you huge workload will be very much, and your stress levels will be very high. And if your motivation is just to get a tag, you won't survive there. Trust me, I'm telling you this, right? Because I've seen many cases, and I'm telling it from the experience point of view. Okay, so IIT Delhi is good, and if your scores are like this, go with that, and hopefully you might have filled the forms. And once the scores are out and you fall in the eligibility criteria, then you should go over there. Okay, and also the branch preferences should be like thermal, of course, placement is good. Industrial also placement is good. Design also placement is good. So all the mechanical core branches are good enough for placement. They'll fetch you good placements, right? So, and other, if any other difficulty is there, here I am available all the time for you guys. So see you guys in the next lecture. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so very much. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind. Love you guys. Take care.